Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Allah and your support, second annual budget estimated for financial year 2024-25. These are estimated budget for the financial year 2023-2024 of PMC Momin Abad is going to be presented today. In this budget, we have tried to improve the budget compared our previous budget. We hope that this will be proved to be an excellent budget in favor of Momin Abad people and Momin Abad town employees. Respected council members, this estimated budget, our financial resources are heavily dependent on government support. For the balance sheet, 63.34% of our financial resources are from the government and 0.09% is property tax, 15.2% comes from the special grant and 21% 33% from the own contribution. The budget of financial year 2024-25 has been prepared with the possible balance in resources and problems. The total amount of which is 1640.9 million. Non-development expenditure ratio is 74.66%, while the ratio of development expenditure is 25.34%. We are fortunate that despite all the pressure, we have been able to present the budget that is of surplus. The following details of budget 2024-25. Financial resources of Government of Sindh estimated 1029.42 million. Property tax 1.5 million. Own resources 350 million. Special grant 250 million. Total income 1640.92 million. Honorable Council members, our expenses consist of non-development expenses and development expenses. Non-development expenses including salaries of government, local government employees and other expenses like expenses for the repair and maintenance, while the development expenses including the construction of street, parks, buildings, roads, street lights and cleaning campaign. There are detail of amounts scripted under the various subdivisions under these municipal responsibilities. Establishment budget 1050 million. Development expenditures 415.7 million. Contingencies expenditures 124.2 million. Charge expenditures 0.8 million. Repair and maintenance expenditure 50 million. Total 1640.7 million. The surplus amount is 2,19,848 rupees. Respected members, this description is overview of our expenses. Now I would like to describe the important work in this context of development expenditure. The amount per posts various heads under the municipal liabilities are given below. Development budget for D&R department 60 million. Development budget for the M&A department 35.7 million. Development budget for the park 50 million. Development budget education department 30 million. Development budget for medical department dispensaries 25 million. Capital development 80 million. Ongoing development revalidation 135 million. Total development expenditure 415.7 million. Respected members, the budget preparation is difficult and painstaking task that our budget team prepared with the great efforts. Chief Account Officer Mr. Mohammed Abdullah and Budget Officer Tamur Chachar prepared the budget under the supervision of Municipal Commissioner Sayyid Zainal Isha. I would like to congratulate them for the preparing wonderful budget in the circumstances. I would like to thank my honorable chairman and vice chairman TMC Mominabad and also honorable members. And also I would like to thank all print media, electronic media, social media and information department TMC Mominabad. And I am very thankful to my whole entire team of all officers and all officials. اللہ تعالی ہم سب کا ناصر حامی اور ناصر ہے. پاکستان زندہ باد. آپ اپنے ہاتھ بلند کر لیں بجٹ اپروول کے لیے. آگے ہم الحمدللہ